Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to mirror. So for example, you can draw with these pen tools. And if you want to mirror these objects, you can duplicate the layer object, right click on layer and duplicate layer. After it, go to edit menu, click transforms and we can use the flip horizontal to mirror. Click OK to apply, and then you can move the object layer to drag here. So to be mirror the objects. Okay, that's it for basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to mirror.